Good evening, mathematicians. Tonight's problem involves fractions. Tian has 56 paper clips. He gives 3/4 of them to Joe. Joe gives 2/7 of what he receives to Raul. How many paper clips does Raul get? So I'm going to try solving this problem first with a model, a bar model, because I think it's going to help me a lot. So I know that I have 56, or Tian, I should say, has 56 paper clips altogether. So if I draw a bar, I'm going to show with my bracket that the total is 56. That's how many paper clips Tian has. He gives 3/4 of them to Joe. So I'm going to divide my bar model into fourths and show that he's giving 3 of those fourths to Joe. So if I know that I have 56 in total and I've divided my bar into 4 parts, in order to find out how much each part of the bar is worth, I'm going to divide 56 by 4. 4 goes into 5 once, the remainder is 1. 4 goes into 16 4 times. So each part of the bar is worth 14. Well, if Joe received 3/4, I can do 14 times 3 to find out how many paper clips Joe received, and he received 42 paper clips. Okay, but let's look at this second sentence. Joe gives 2/7 of what he received to Raul. I might even draw a new bar model. Here's just Joe has 42 now, and he gave 2/7. I'm going to divide this new bar into 7s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have 7 parts. He gave 2 of those 7s to Raul. This is going to Raul. Well, if my whole bar is worth 42 and I divided it into 7 parts, each part is worth 6. And if Raul has 2 parts, then he must have 12 paper clips. So how many paper clips does Raul have? 12.